Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure linking features are available in your vault. Enable backlinks and page preview in settings. Then, open a note and type, followed by the target title so Obsidian auto-completes it. This creates a bidirectional link. Once done, press Enter to confirm or choose Create New Note if missing, which keeps your workflow fast. You do this because explicit internal links build a connected graph that surfaces relationships and saves search time later. Next, you refine links for clarity and reuse. Use pipe syntax to add an alias so the link displays custom text. This keeps prose smooth while preserving the target. When you need live content, prepend an exclamation mark to transclude a note or block. This embeds and updates automatically. For precise context, append hash heading or block ID so you link directly to a section. These options let you control presentation and maintain a single source of truth across notes. Finally, organize and keep links healthy. Use the backlinks pane and unlinked mentions to surface places to connect, then decide whether to convert mentions into explicit links. This improves discoverability. Check Graph View for isolated notes and use Obsidian's rename command to update links vault-wide when you change titles. If links break, search unlinked mentions first. If problems persist, toggle Community plugin conflicts off. One key tip: always rename through Obsidian rather than manually changing file names to avoid broken references.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.